Okay, today we're going to discuss the second chemical on my list. This one's a bit of a tricky one to say, which is why most people probably don't do anything about it or say anything about it or research it. It's abbreviated to EDTA. So it's called ethylene-diamine-tetraacetic acid. It's a pretty tough one to say, and most people probably just don't even think about it. All right, so let's discuss it a bit further and question what it actually is and what it does. So EDTA, let's go again, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Try say that 3 times. Anyway, it's impossible. So that's what they actually want. They don't want you to try to pronounce it. They don't want you to look embarrassed in front of your friends or your family. So you literally just skip past it. I know we all have Google, but generally speaking, you don't want to question things that you can't say. I mean, even I can't say it. So what actually is EDTA? It's actually a binding agent. It stops the active ingredients in a product from reacting with minerals or water. So basically, it's just keeping the product stable and looking pretty on the shelf. That is all it's doing. It's just helping it not spoil. So it's there pretty much for the product and not for you at all whatsoever. I think that that's a bit of a problem, and we should question these things of what it's doing in the product. So what are some of the cons of this ingredient? Eye irritation, skin irritation, lung irritation, potentially toxic to your organs with repeated exposure. And again, this product can be in multiple things or products that this ingredient could be in multiple products that you're using every single day. So if you're using it once every now and then, yeah, maybe it'd be okay. But if it's in 4 products you're using every day, that's where it builds up. So it could be sitting in your hair dye, your moisturizer, products you use every single day, multiple times a day. That's the issue. That's why we need to question these certain ingredients. And actually that is why I started reading the labels, not to be paranoid or anything, but because nobody else is going to tell me what's in there or what that means. The ingredients in the list is listed, and most people don't question it. I just started to question it. That I just wanted to know what I was looking for, and what I was actually using. So knowledge is the whole game here. Question everything, understand what it does, understand its side effects, and how much you should use of that. So they generally found, as I said, mainly in hair products or hair coloring and moisturizers. So do your research, question everything, and you know what they say, happy skin, happy life.